Good morning, students. Today we are going to see exercise 2.2. This is the fifth question. Let me read the question. The doormat, which is hexagonal in shape, has the following measures as given in the figure. Find its area. It is given that hexagonal. Now you can see the figure here. Hexagonal means 6 sides it should be. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So that's why we call this as an hexagonal. Now the question is to find the area of this. So before finding this area, I should see that what are the shapes is behind in this. Okay, what are the shapes is there, that let me find it out. Here I can see that if I put a dotted lines like this, then I can get two types of triangle. Okay, two triangles were there. For triangle, finding the area, what is the formula? Area of the triangle is equals to half BH. Okay, area of triangle, which is equal to half into base into height. Okay, so here base is what? Base is this. This is the base. So this is 70 means this is also 70. Okay, and this will be also 70 and this will be also 70. Now here already it is given it is 70. How I come to know this also 70 means, actually see this whole dotted line is given as 90. Okay, அப்ப இங்க ஒரு 10 cm இருக்கு, இங்க ஒரு 10 cm இருக்கு. அப்புறம் 90 ல 20 if I reduce means automatically this part is 70. If this is 70, so this also will be 70 and this also will be 70. Okay, so if all sides were the same length, then it is a square. So I have to find out area of the given figure means two types of this triangle. That is two types of area of this triangle plus the area of the square. If I found means I can get the whole picture of the area. Okay. Now let me see here area of a given figure. Given figure which is equal to 2 times of half BH, because two triangle is there. So half into BH plus area of a square. Square is 70, so 70 square. We know that what is the formula for area of a square? A into A, side into side. So 70 square. And 2 I can cancel here itself. B and H is there. What is the base for this triangle? Base is 70, right? So 70 centimeter, height is 10 centimeter. Plus this is 70 into 70. If you multiply means you will get 4,900. And here it is 700 plus 4,900. If you add this, you will be getting 5,600. Okay, centimeter. Is it clear? And here the value is to find the area of the given figure. So area of a given figure, it is equal to centimeter squared. Why this centimeter squared? Always we know that area means it will come as centimeter squared. Here 70 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Here also we will have 700 centimeter squared. And here also we will have, because 70 is what? 70 is centimeter. Okay. So that is also will be coming like 4,900 centimeter squared. So after adding, I will be getting like 5,600 centimeter square. Is it clear? So this is the way of finding the answer for this question. Now the next question we will go, that is the sixth question. See now, find the area. Can you see what is the shape of this diagram? This is in the shape of the rocket. Okay. Now he asked us to find the area. So first let me split that. The rocket is various shapes is there. நம்மள வந்து டைரக்டா ஒரு shape உடைய ஏரியா வந்து அப்படியே find out பண்ண முடியாது, because we don't have any formula for this figure. So what is the method I should find out is, இது எத்தனை பார்ட்டா split பண்ணலாம், என்னென்ன shapesலாம் அதுல இருக்கு. By using that only I can find the area, right? That is the mathematical twist here. So always we use that whatever the formulas we know and what is the shapes behind here. By using that, by combining those areas only I can find the whole shape. இல்லனா ஒரு ராக்கெட்டை கொடுத்துட்டு find the area அப்படின்னு சொன்னா it is not so easy. So let me see that some values I have. Okay, now what is the value means, இத பாக்கும்போது எப்படி இருக்குனா, it is like a ஒரு rectangle மாதிரி இருக்கு, and this is like a trapezium. இந்த shape பாருங்க, it is like a trapezium இருக்கு, and this is the triangle. So நமக்கு கொடுத்த pictureலயே பாத்தீங்கன்னா we have 3 different shapes. Okay, so in the 3 different shapes if you add, then only you will get the answer. And moreover, value is given from here to here is 120 centimeter is given. So he fully 120 centimeter. Here already is given 20 centimeter and here it is 20 centimeter. Up 120 la you reduce 40. Okay, 120 centimeter minus 40 centimeter if you do means you will get 80 centimeter. That 80 is the value of this. Because I want to know what is the value of this. This is not given. So I am finding this. அப்போ எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? இங்க இருக்கிற 20 20யும் ஆட் பண்ணி அதை இதில் சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணா I'll get what is this value. This is 80 centimeter. It's clear. If this is 80 means this is also 80 centimeter. Okay. Now, so இது வந்து now I know the area of a rectangle. It is clear for me. And this is the area of a trapezium is value is given. What is the half into h into a plus b? H is this, a is this, b is this. And this is triangle. So இதுக்கும் I have value. So let me start now. Area of a given figure is equal to first area of a trapezium plus area of a rectangle plus area of triangle. So if I do all these things, then only I will get the area of this racket. Okay. So area of trapezium, what is the formula? Half into h into a plus b. Plus area of a rectangle, we know length into breadth. Plus area of a triangle is half into bh. That means half into base into height. Okay. So now half into, what is my height here? Height is nothing but 20 centimeter. So into 20. A plus b is 50 and 30. If you add that, you will get 80 centimeter. Okay. Plus length into breadth. Length is 80 centimeter. Breadth is 30 centimeter. Plus half into triangle oda value pathina bh. Base vandu 30. So 30 and then h oda value vandu 20. So now I am going to solve this. 2 tens are, so it is 800 centimeter. Already 20 is also centimeter only. So centimeter square. Plus here it is, if I multiply 2400 centimeter square plus 10 times. So 300 centimeter square. Now if you add all these values, you are getting like 3500. Yes, 2400. This is 3200. So 3500 centimeter square. This is the value of the given figure. So for the whole racket, we found out what is the area. It's clear? It comes like 3500 centimeters square. It's clear.